Page 122. Cardiac muscle, a specialized form of involuntary muscle, is found only in the heart. Cardiac muscle is extremely sensitive to decreased oxygen supply and can tolerate an interruption of its blood supply only for very short periods. The heart muscle has its own blood supply through the coronary artery system. The heart also has a property called automaticity. That means the heart has the ability to generate and conduct electrical impulses on its own. The heartbeat, which happens at contraction, is controlled by these electrical impulses. So figure 6.4, the three types of muscle. Skeletal muscle, like in the shoulder. Cardiac muscle, in the heart. Smooth muscle, such as in the stomach or intestines. Cardiac muscle is a specialized involuntary muscle found only in the heart. Automaticity. The ability of the heart to generate and conduct electrical impulses on its own. Automaticity. Respiratory system. The purpose of the respiratory system, also known as the pulmonary system, are ventilation and oxygenation. Oxygen, O2, is moved into the bloodstream through inhalation, and carbon dioxide is picked up by the blood and excreted through exhalation. Respiratory anatomy. A number of structures make up the respiratory system. See figure 6.5. Air enters the body through the mouth and nose. It moves through the oropharynx. Let me make sure I'm pronouncing that right. Oropharynx, yes. Oropharynx, which is the area directly posterior to the mouth, and the nasopharynx, the area directly posterior to the nose. The pharynx is the area that includes both the oropharynx and the nasopharynx. From the pharynx, air moves on a path toward the lungs. A leaf-shaped structure called the epiglottis closes over the glottis, the opening to the trachea, to prevent foods and foreign objects from entering the trachea during swallowing. The larynx, or voice box, contains the vocal cords. The cricoid cartilage, let me make sure I'm pronouncing that right, cricoid cartilage, a ring-shaped structure, forms the lower portion of the larynx. So let's review these terms. Respiratory system. The system of nose, mouth, throat, lungs, and muscles that brings oxygen to the body and expels carbon dioxide, also called the pulmonary system. Oropharynx, the area directly posterior to the mouth. Nasopharynx, the area directly posterior to the nose. Pharynx, the area directly posterior to the mouth and nose. It is made up of the oropharynx and the nasopharynx. Epiglottis, a leaf-shaped structure that prevents food and foreign matter from entering the trachea. Larynx, the voice box. Cricoid cartilage, the ring-shaped structure that forms the lower portion of the larynx.